Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making another, I guess a bit of a nostalgic thing here in Australia. Most parts of Australia we call these potato scallops. There's one up here in state Victoria that calls them potato cakes. They're not potato cakes, guys. They're potato scallops. Alright, now just to save a bit of time, I've peeled and pre-boiled my spuds. Now we're not boiling these all the way through. I've just given them sort of like par cooked. And by the way, I'm using these Desiree potatoes for no other reason than that's what I had here in the kitchen. So these are a really cheap, easy, filling but tasty snack. And let's get on with it. I need to slice these up. I mean, basically what we're going to be doing is covering them in a beer batter and then frying them, but I need to slice them first. So like I say, I've pre-cooked them, and I'm going to do my slices around about 1/2 centimetre thick, but you don't have to be too precise. And just because they're parboiled, I'm just going to go quite carefully. And so on and so on. So this is what a slice looks like. I'll get on with those. And I started with 4, obviously. And I'll get back to you. Alrighty, now just while my oil here that I'm going to cook my scallops in is heating up, I'm just going to quickly make my batter. It's very simple. I've got 1 cup of self-raising flour. I've got a 1/4 cup of corn flour or cornstarch, as my American friends call it. And in here I've just got 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And I'm just going to combine those dry ingredients. Some of you may have seen this recipe before when I did those beautiful beer battered oysters. Man, they were good. Now, I've got a cold beer out of the fridge, and I like a dry beer, so but yeah, use whatever sort of beer you want. Whatever you get, make sure you like it, because we'll be drinking the rest of that. And we're just going to add a little at a time. Until we get a nice smooth batter. And we'll just take a little bit of our batter once you've got it to the right smoothness, this is pretty good now. And we can just use that little bit of batter to check how our oil's going. And yeah, needs to get a bit hotter yet. Okay guys, so I think my oil's up to a good heat now. Like I say, tested it with a bit more batter. So I'm going to take my potato pieces now. We're just going to quickly dredge it in that batter. Shake off the excess and just drop it in. And yeah, we'll keep doing that till, like I say, we won't overcrowd the pan. And I think we can get one more small one in there. Alrighty guys, so I've just served up a few of my potato scallops here. They're nice and hot. I just had them draining, as you saw on that rack, just for a little bit. Just let them cool slightly, but you'll want to eat these when they are hot. And also, while they sit there, this batter sort of crispens up a little bit more. Now all I'm going to do to these is add a little bit of sea salt. Well, maybe not even a little bit, maybe a lot. Like so. Man, and I cannot wait to try it. See if we can have a look up close. And we'll take a bite. Absolutely delicious, guys. Really yummy. Batter's nice and crispy. That's just a yummy classic thing that we eat in Australia here. I assume in other places, but been eating these since I was a kid. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to my channel. You guys are great. I really appreciate it. I'm not just saying that, I do really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, or you've been watching for a while and haven't subscribed, can I just ask you to hit that subscription button? That'd be fantastic if you could. Helps my channel out no end. No obligation on your part, no costs, nothing like that. No spam, nothing. Just really does help me out. But if you don't want to, no worries. And I will. See you all next time.